Okay, we're live. Ricky, can I ask you one more thing? If you could flash the disclaimer up there for the YouTube people especially. Good morning, everybody. Friday, December 11th, another beautiful morning, the TrueTrader live stream. Today we've got our fabulous pros. We call you guys fabulous. RickyAnalog and TheGoose. And I believe we'll have Adriano joining us a little bit as well right before the open.
Happy Friday and good morning, guys.
Infinity getting
Guess who
a
this is?
raise to 450 price target at B. Riley. Shares had a high of $2.80 on INFI Infinity Pharmaceuticals.
Worth pointing out, guys, for anybody watching this on YouTube, there's a 15-second delay. None of what we're doing today is meant for you guys to follow us or to coattail stock calls. This is simply for you guys to be able to see what's going on in the chat and see what we offer on a daily basis. And that being said, not everything you're seeing is all
Coming
that we
up
offer.
this morning, IPOs from
all we have
FDMT
showing
for
right
the
now is the
molecular
pro room
research,
chat, which is
8.4
where you'll see
million
us
priced
posting
at
our trades,
$23. That's Foxtrot
things that
Delta
the
Mike
pros in the room are
Tango,
watching.
ABCL,
And we have our two
Appcelera
scanners, we have a spike
Biologics,
scanner,
24.2 million priced at
level
$20.
scanner,
That's
as
Alpha
well
Bravo
as a single chart,
Charlie
which
Lima.
is, you know,
CERT,
just all I can fit on
Certara,
one screen for you guys.
$29.1 million priced at
sitting at home
$23.
watching on
That's
YouTube.
Charlie Echo Romeo Tango.
The guys in the room that are in here every
NBTX,
day, you can ask any of them. They get a lot
Nanobiotics,
more than this for their
7.1
money.
million priced at $13.50. That's November Bravo Tango X-Ray, VVOS, Vivos Therapeutics, 3.5 million priced
A
at
lot of runners, guys. Hope
That's
everybody's
Victor,
been being
Oscar, Sandy.
safe. A lot of low price ones, and just be careful and be safe on these things. A lot of these don't have justification for you guys that like those little small caps, and a lot of gappers too. Market's looking down a little bit. We got a couple minutes to the open. Let's dial in. Oh.
Got about a minute and a half to the open, guys. QCOM was coming in yesterday on news that Apple's going to be making their own modem. I believe it was modem. Disney's pretty high on my list today.
Good morning, everybody. This is Goose talking to you this Friday morning, beautiful Friday morning from the US of A.
Hey, good morning, Goose. It's Adriano.
Hey, what's up? What's up, man? How you
Here's
doing,
our.
bro?
I'm showing the morning report for everybody on YouTube, so you guys can see the levels that we've got marked out for the room. Those are something that were provided every single morning for the guys.
Yeah, worth pointing out, those are only good for the first 10 minutes, those levels. So after that, buyer beware.
I keep forgetting I changed the charts up there.
All right, let's go.
And we're off.
TTN is off.
FSR. FSR. Never mind. Just a quick pop and drop. Costco, 4-point drop. Costco, COST.
Yeah, my charts are a little bit laggy right now.
That's Costco plan.
CRWD coming in.
WSC. Watch WSC.
Pretty light volume, but yeah.
Love light.
My charts are so laggy right now.
Lulu just dropped 5 points. The earnings last night, huh?
Tell me, was their conference call? I'd have to look.
Neo popping. Neo did a secondary last night. I don't know if they priced it yet. I don't think they did. I didn't hear a pricing at least.
Pins pushing, PINS. Watch pins maybe up at 76 if it gets there.
How's the volume pins?
It'll trade enough volume.
Yeah.
If PDD gets down to 142.70, 143 area, I might look at it for a long. It's a pretty good drop, but PDD. I actually have an order down there.
PDD. JKS coming. I have a bid on JKS. Still ways. Never mind. SNOA had news.
Small float on that one. That was really small float.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, I like PED.
JKS drop?
20 day.
Yeah.
You're JKS?
Mm-hmm. JKS, I wanted like low 50.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Keeping my eye on PDD for right now.
NTX. No, FMTX. Net, 2-point drop, NET. Look at that, NET.
The Qs are rolling over.
Yeah. Alright.
Still watching this PDD, guys.
Is that like net off 77?
I started PDD 143.23. While 143.23 on this PDD here.
Yeah.
Star.
I'm out half for 144.46. Looking for I'll stop low a day now, which is pretty much my average. I got a good entry on there, and then
See that?
looking for the 1 minute 20 on the bounce. I don't know if it's gonna get there. It's still heavy. Here, baby. Here you go. Daughter just woke up.
You know what? Excuse me. NET. I'm gonna put a bid mid 78s to long NET mid 78s. Sorry, my voice. I was going to put the low 80s. I was slow. Fat FAT.
I sold a little more of this PDD 144.88.
Nice work, Goose. Ricky is Goose. Goose is Adriano.
It's Friday.
And I'm nobody.
Guys, I know I told you I was looking for the 1 minute 20 on this bounce, but look at the breakdown level on the chart, and that's why I sold some into this push, because I think this might stuff it. I just don't want to end up not taking profits when I had a good gain on it.
60.
Yeah, in a little bit, okay.
Billy breaking out. Billy, B-I-L-I.
All right, guys, getting ready to stop the last piece under these lows here. If it cracks under 143s, what's my entry? 143.26. Yeah, I'll give it under 143.
Just 70. FRSX, if it comes to low 190s, I'm gonna take a long FRSX, low 190s. Oh man.
Oh shit.
Oh, actually, I had an order from pre-market there on the FRSX.
All right, guys, I'm out. PDD there. Well, accidentally sold too much. I'm actually,
Hey, guys.
I'm flat now. Accidentally flipped short there a little.
Say it, Goose.
Guys, I am long some PDD right here off 143. I'm gonna add off the whole number at 140. I'm long PDD here. I'm gonna sell it up by 146 is my target.
Nice. Get
Just
it,
under
Goose.
it.
Neo pushing. Just gonna keep that PDD chart up while Goose is in it.
JMIA moving up. CrowdStrike 2. Look at JMIA. Okay, I will be short in JMIA starting at 4070. Starting JMIA at 4070. I'm short JMIA, start at 4070. I'm looking to cover JMIA for 60 cents, then 1 point.
Nice entry.
Yeah. And it hit already 6 cents, but I didn't get it. How's that? Too
Saw
late
it.
to put my order. Come on. All right, I'm still 60 cents, 40.10, then 39.70. And it hit there. Oh, just too slow. All right. I think it's gonna come in a point. So take 70 cents to pay myself. Look at that, 1 cent away. Okay, I'm at 12. I'm gonna go to 402 and I'm gonna put a 415 conditional order. So it hits 415. Someone comes washing off. Gosh, I missed. 2 cents, 1 cent. All right, that's okay. I'm gonna get 1 point. I'm very confident I will get 1 point. So someone comes selling at 15, my order fill, or 405, 4005. If someone comes washing down quick. And that's JMIA. All right, moving on, looking at something else. Edit. Don't need to be babysitting this thing. I have my conditional orders in, so on JMIA.
I can't tell you. I think VTVT is going to be trouble for shorts if it gets over that 450. I think a lot of people probably just piled in short on that break of those lows under 390s, and it held real well. Watch this thing. I think it could rip.
TGTX.
Does not mean chase it, guys, and it does not mean to be following this trade. It's not. I'm not even sure I'm going to take it. I got an alert on Billy, BILI, really still pushing strong here. Oh, if my charts get low, there we go.
I got out half JMIA and I'm covering the rest here for a point.
Guys, I'm going to start some Billy short on a push into 80.
Thanks for the reminder, High Trader. 10 minutes into the open, guys. Check your morning orders.
Oh man, it's only traded 500,000. Man, it's liquid enough, but it's
I'm out
not-
JMIA for a point.
nice trade.
Thank you.
Thanks.
All right, now let's see if you take long on JMIA. JMIA 3840, I'm gonna go long. JMIA 3840, I'm putting a bid to go long.
Yeah, that was a
There.
sick trade on JMIA. Were you looking at 36s or you want lower or higher?
No.
I mean,
No, I'm buying 3840 and for about
Gotcha.
50 cents, 60
Gotcha.
cents. I bounce back to 39. FMTX, FMTX. FMTX doesn't have much volume, man. Yeah, I'm canceling my orders from the morning report.
that VT really stuffed.
Let's see
Never
what
got
this-
over 450 though, so everybody should have been able to avoid that completely.
Disney, where was it? Okay. FRSX,
ASAN?
ASAN. We traded that yesterday, right, at the open?
Yeah.
Uh,
I think it'd be a lot nicer if it come down to this 20-day,
what's the price of 20-day, Ricky?
25.
25.
I
Yeah,
love
I'm gonna put
25, but I think it holds here.
what they do. Are they a biotech? I'm not familiar with the name.
It is technology
Sana?
services package software.
Okay. I'm gonna put a good to cancel on ASAN for a swing long at 23.58. 23.58. A good to cancel on ASAN.
Hey, I'm not interested in Billy into 80 anymore, guys. It's slowed down. It's going sideways here, so that trade is a no-go.
To cancel. And if I get filled at ASAN 23.58, I'll be looking for at least 2 points, maybe 3 points on the swing if I get that fill on ASAN. All right, order is live. All right.
know, baby, but I think dead.
Call the locals here, I had to sell my home. To pounding, I've worked my finger to the bones, and I
What did Disney do?
Alexa.
Man, that Billy was the right spot.
Lemonade. Look at Lemonade. Deja vu. Look what he did yesterday. Let's see where he held yesterday. It's right at this level. That's where everything started. What's the futures doing? Futures, futures, futures.
Missed Disney by 80 cents. Yeah, LMND. Nice flush. I like it. You taking it with me?
Yeah. Thinking about just 1 second. Putting a bigger order.
I'm looking for one more small flush on it.
And then the I mean, that's where, oh, Ricky, we kind of, I mean, why are you waiting, man? He already hit the pivot right there, and that
Yeah.
was the level from yesterday.
Well, I was looking
I
at the
mean-
9260.
Oh, he wanted
Didn't
in
have the chart
between.
up. Didn't have the chart up either when,
Oh,
until
son of a gun.
after this little bounce.
Yeah, but you see, it was the previous day high. It was right there above the pivot. That's yeah. Oh well. Wah,
Not
wah,
previous.
wah.
Not previous day. Two previous days. 3 previous days ago.
No, it was
Tuesday.
yesterday's high.
No. not
93.75.
Yesterday's high was like 112.
No, you're right. Right. Yeah, sorry.
But it is
Yeah.
a level
That's
that I
because
like.
I'm using Goose today, so that's why I'm also.
Yeah, I feel the same way.
I'm not the same.
remember who I am.
Something's wrong. Oh, help.
Yeah, that was probably that was the spot.
Oh, I missed your MIA by 7 cents. You kidding me?
Cancel now.
Are you? God. son of a- Yep, missed by 7 cents.
Not sure if you guys watched LMND yesterday. There was a point when it came in from that 112 into the 98 level, it was bottomless. Like it was just really selling heavy. So I'm just trying to remain a little bit patient on it.
I'm canceling my JMIA bid. Canceling my JMIA bid.
About to be in this LMND, guys, and I'll risk going under the lows.
Well,
Actually, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna see if we snap lows. I'm buying the flush.
As I just long BYND beyond 37.18, and I will stop it through low of the day. My next spot to visit it if it comes in is 133.50, but I did put a starter in for red to green move, putting it out for 2 points. It's beyond.
okay, lemonade. Let's see here.
Is Goose gonna sing it for us?
Lemonade.
Hey, I'm Goose Boy. What you doing? What you think you're doing?
Oh.
That's what he sounds like.
Telling you. Okay, listen, JMIA, I will
All confused.
3640. I'm beating JMIA 3640. Well, quick drop here.
Give me one more flush. I do
3640.
want this LMND.
Hey Goose.
Mm-hmm.
Not you. No. Hey Adri. Who's Adri anyways?
I don't remember. This is really confusing.
Adri is not you, the guy that's answering, it's the other guy. Take a look at JMIA.
JMIA.
Am I Ricky?
Who am I again?
You're a TrueTrader admin.
I'm Goose.
That's right, your kids.
I like
JMIA. Like I said, I really like
Kiteso.
20 day on
Can't you
that.
play
Would be
with
dope.
dolls?
Guys, watching LMND here, I think we're gonna flush these lows. I'm gonna scoop. Mid 92s to low 92s.
Just missed my $400,000 profit.
Lemonade. Fat. Fat.
far
That
hell.
reminds me of no. He's using my name. Never mind. FAT, the ticker. I think I can do it. Okay, back to lemonade. 3640 JMIA, no fuel yet. I'm gonna put you up here. Let's see. JMIA, and I type lemonade.
That VTVT's trying to try that 450 level again here. Remember, guys, it's still a level I think shorts are gonna have to start bailing on. It's funny, man. The news on VTVT is the same PR they put out, usually at least twice a year, and it's just because they have an agreement with McAndrews Forbes, which is Ron Perlman. I don't know if you guys are familiar with him. He's the billionaire investor. He just buys shares due to a purchase agreement with them that they've had for years, and every time they PR about it, stupid stock rips. It always kind of silly to me.
SDGR.
It's stuffed that level again. I really think VTVT is gonna have a big fail here since it's stuffed twice. It's too bad. Can't short it down here.
JMIA, come on, one flush. Futures down, hold. All right, one flush. Come on.
Hi Trader, that's not the PR though. That one that you just put up. It's gonna
As
be
I
something
stopped out
about.
of PDD for a point loss, I'll revisit it off 140. PDD I took a point loss on. We'll revisit it off 140.
Just a quick thing here. This JMIA, I'm bidding on 3640s, right? You see kind of holding on this level, your brain starts to trick you into thinking, you know what, it might be holding here, this might start to turn, and what happens, it takes your mind, or skews you from an original plan, and you forget the reason that I have the bid at 36.40, right? Or if you've seen the same thing as I am, why we have that bid at 36.40. So always go back and ask yourself, okay, why did I think about that level again? Don't try to kind of predict what the level 2 is doing at that moment, because that can change in a jiff, okay? Stick with the plan. And if we get filled, great. If we don't, we get the next one. Don't try to second guess and just make yourself think that something that's not there, it is there. So
Guys, I'm not scooping 92.40 anymore or 92.60 on LMND. Went sideways too long. Wanted that breakdown to happen rather quick. So that idea is, I will stalk this a little longer though. I think we're gonna get a trade on it.
SDGR. Oh, la 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 la.
So I might want another leg up. That was a nice pullback to that 5-minute 20 in G2C.
SLY.
Yeah, PDD, of course. All right. Who said this game was easy?
Just a quick reminder, don't forget, 12 o'clock today we have CPA talking about retirement plans and everything else. Make sure you make some notes, put down some questions. You might forget while he's available. Because if you forget, then you're gonna have to ask TheGoose afterwards.
Adriano.
No.
Gaizo. Cashing in on my thousands and hundreds.
This name's pretty thin.
JMIA.
It's pretty thin, but SDGR is getting a bit extended here.
Yeah, being able to play one for a little bit.
I'm in Twitter. Otter.
Yeah, Twitter's moving up a little bit here. Look, from the low. And on the daily, Twitter, look at that 53 level. Hey, if at some point today Twitter gets to that 53, 53.8 is a short. Oh.
EA, some nice volume on this. Watch if it gets up to 140 for a possible fade. Should get some resistance at that 140 to 141 area. PDD. Pissed me off today.
Yikes. VTVT gonna finally break that level or not? Straight into the 5-minute 20 too. I don't know if it gets through.
At FAT. No. SRG.
Not you anymore.
Market finding, catching a bid. FRSX, I haven't ordered this one. Yeah. Okay. FRSX. Let's take a
Oh,
look.
there it goes. It got through. VTVT got through, guys.
FRSX, I am bidding 170s. FRSX 170s. I'm on the bid. What did Pfizer do at the open? Was nice gap pre-market.
Came
Came
in.
in. Shoot. Yeah. Watch that. It wasn't enough of a drop though, but it's Pfizer, huh? Watch that GMIA by any chance retest that high 40/50s for reversal. At least a 50 to 70 cent on that GMIA on the retest of that high. What's Chewy doing? CHWY.
If Twitter goes up to those 52-week highs around 53, I'm gonna be hitting it. 53s, and I'll add a little bit higher. See if it
You
gets
guys,
some people chasing the breakout.
Beyond, I'm out. My beyond for a couple points.
Nice trade, brother.
Nice trade.
Nice trade, Adriano.
Andre.
Thanks, Goose. I don't know.
You're welcome. You're my hero. Andre, you're my hero. You're so awesome. Wah, wah.
PDD. I'm gonna go cry for a second. My name is Adriano. I had a bad trade. I'm gonna go do 400 pull-ups and I'll be right back.
Oh,
Damn,
you're so
LMND
strong. You're so strong. Such a powerful man.
That one's
I
tough
wish
to
it
watch.
was you.
Come on, Twitter.
Listen, Chewy, if he gets to 82.30s, is hitting, you see last 3-4 days, the highs? That could be an interesting level, guys. Goose, you see that? Wait a minute, I'm Goose. Oh, Jesus. Adri,
had
do you
it
see
in
that? Wait a
Hey, I
minute.
just finished my
What's
300
Ricky?
pull-ups. What do you need, Goose? You handsome man.
Yeah, I'm confused. Okay, alright. Time out. Ricky, take a look at Chewy.
I was just looking at it. I thought we had an agreement you guys weren't going to talk about stocks in my IRA.
Oh, today is no rules Friday.
Okay. Yeah, I see the levels. 82.50 to 83s.
Yeah. Look last couple days. That should retrace a bit. I'm gonna take it.
I'll take it and box my IRA in.
I'm gonna hedge and then box a trade and do a 3x4 and figure out a way and make money anyway because I boxed it. But I'm talking about mid 82s. Edit, coming in, edit, EDIT.
Man, I really wanted this one. I've been stalking this for the short. I want to hit
Edit,
pops
there's a
on
lot
it.
of volume right here, low 61s, huh?
Yeah.
If it snaps through under 60, 70, then it should go to 59s. Come on, Chewy. I just wish you had a little more volume, but Chewy.
Don't listen. I'll tell you right now. Anybody watching this and thinking short, do not short this in the hole. You'll end up upside down a few points real quick. Just wait for pops.
What stock?
Edit.
Oh. Oh yeah. Short pops. We don't. Yeah.
It's not safe to hit it in the hole, even if you miss it, because it just flushes clean and goes straight down. Whatever. You just kind of have to ignore it then.
Oh. Adri, look at Lemonade. You suck.
Yeah, I know. We were just talking about it.
That's all right. Yeah, it's all right.
Twitter don't look like
It
it's
came
gonna
from
get
102
there either.
to 93. INSG.
What did Baidu do? And Billy.
If you guys that like those slower ones, watch CRSR off this previous low here. Low 34s for maybe a previous high target in that 35.40 area. You could risk that low of the day or 33.50. It's been on my radar. CRSR. Slower moving one. Lower volume one. guys have stayed with that PDD. Nice job. I wish I could revisit that trade, but right idea. Just get whipped out of it. Almost said there'd be days like that. You still have your JMI out there?
I do.
All the way up to the high, yeah. 40, just in the 40-50, point away. Okay, Chewy. I want short Chewy right there, mid 82s, but all right, let me think about this. Broke through this, broke through this, broke through this.
Quick note to Fuat Killick on YouTube. Congrats, man. He just said he signed up for 2 more years and just paid for it on his PDD trade. He thanks Goose.
Awesome.
Nice job.
Awesome, good work.
I mishandled that. I could even tell you guys about it later, but
It's a Monday night, quarterback, whatever.
yeah.
Just
Glad if you guys stayed with it. Good job. Guys, some of these slower moving ones, by the way, they're harder to call out. So I throw the ideas out there on some of these ones with low volume, or Ricky or Goose will, and but it's hard putting entries on the slower ones and exits because they're light volume.
edit bounced.
But the ideas are there.
Edit bounced. Now edit, if it goes back 65, short.
Yeah, exactly. I would even start earlier, I think. Frig, that was probably the pop right there.
64, 40s. Listen, I'm canceling the Chewy idea. I need to have a little more flow on the move up, as you know, kind of a little accelerated spike. So to fade that, and it's not going fast enough. So I want to short when the shorts are giving up, covering their position and pushing a little higher. But it's not happening. It's kind of too slow here. So I'm canceling Chewy short for now. Oracle. Oracle yesterday low 58, 61 today. Oh. Okay, EMR.
So, how you say it, by the way?
No, that's a bad. I don't know. I am from Connecticut. No, I don't know how to say it.
What a cute copy.
Just trying to sound like Rocky today. You know what I'm saying?
But if something changed, you let someone tell you who you're not. And I don't care, life will beat you a pulp, and you have to get up and say, screw you, life.
Hold on, you're interrupting my meditation. I meditate and trade at the same time.
Such a zen. One day I aim to be like you, Adri. Such a marvelous human being. You're so cool. I was about to do a search on Google and I forgot where it was already. Oh my gosh. I am going crazy. Oh, yes, here. Okay. Boom, 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 boom.
Let's see.
CRWD. I'm not gonna mess with this one. Just curious to see what it's doing. ADTX. And guys, I know probably you're annoyed with our jokes, switching names, but sometimes have to change things up a bit just to have a little bit of fun.
It's called role playing.
That's right. CDC.
Italians like the role playing, yeah.
I like it too. My name is Goose. And how to get this thing so overbought. Do you see CVAC what he did here? in the last few days that popped to 150. Yeah, Chewy, that order is cancelled. Cancel out.
Chewy maybe at 85.
Yeah, I just don't like the speed. I need a pop.
Yeah, but so here's my thought on it. Breaking out over these 52-week or well all-time highs should bring in that volume that may give you the spike, right? Which
Oh, cazzarola!
Goose didn't know
I
you
forgot to
spoke so
cancel
well.
my.
which
I'm
one?
Chewy. I'm Chewy, man. I said, oh, I'm not gonna take, and I forgot to cancel. Okay. Oh God Almighty! Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm out.
Oh, I was
I
gonna
made
just
3
tell you, like,
cents.
let me know when it speeds up since you're in it.
No, I covered. That was from the morning report. Gosh, watch your live orders. Oh God, so I'm sometimes.
I'm canceling my Disney morning report list or order.
Oh, calm.
I got Disney in the IRA too, though, so that's nice.
So funny. Oh, I'm canceling this order. I don't like cancel, and I don't cancel. Yeah. That's like.
DraftKings is looking pretty strong here.
What the heck is wrong?
Billy's still going.
Sick trade, Roddy, on PDD. Nice job.
Pan going with DKNG. Okay, let me see. I still have like net live. What's net doing? No. Oh, we got close to net. NET. Oh man, took our eyes off. The 7860 bid. Ay. Canceling. FRSX. Leave that live. Tesla, SPY, all day, Qualcomm.
Dude, I'm pretty damn upset with my broker today. PTON looks like it could really rip over those highs. It's already extended though. Might give a pullback first.
So funny.
Nice cover on that one. I see something moving.
EQT. Holy mama.
Act like you've been there.
Oh, it's totally normal, ma.
Goose, you're so sensitive. Let me meditate some more. PNN.
DVAC bounced.
All the gaming companies going today, huh? Pan, DraftKings.
Let's remember the Qualcomm. Bounced to that.
Watch if you still have that FRSX bid in, Adriano.
No, I do.
Goose.
Thank you. Yeah, I did on 170s. I'll take down there.
Hey, Ricky.
Yeah. No, I'm good. What? Okay.
I don't know. I guess he's TrueTrader admin.
I don't know who I am.
King Joffy Joff.
Yeah, what's up, bro?
Mr. Lava Lava.
Did you check out Dick's today?
Oh god.
I didn't. Don't feel like holding bags. Docu. I think Docu over highs. This swing's gonna pay big. For anybody on YouTube, I have a swing long from a few days ago on Docu.
Giggity 12 from YouTube asks, any thoughts on Microsoft?
Dan, can you repeat what you just said? Dan?
He was asking if you have an opinion on Microsoft.
No, Benito's Dan.
I'm trying to think about how Dan talks. Guys, any thoughts on the Microsoft?
You need to talk faster.
I know, he's very telegraphic.
That was good, actually. Do that again.
Anyway,
Guys, any thoughts on Microsoft? Guys.
Microsoft is this is a good spot on the daily, but I like it a lot better down at 200. I don't think we get it. I think we get back over 217.50, and that's going to be what pushes us back towards highs. We're kind of just in the chop right now, under the 20-day. But I will say this, the SPY gave us the pullback, a healthy pullback to the 20-day, and I mean, obviously it didn't quite get there, but if the SPY wants to start pushing back up, same with the Qs gave a pullback right to the 20-day, you see. And these are healthy pullbacks in the market. That's what you look for to see where these bigger names, the high beta names, the names that are good, strong companies come into, and look for levels to be buying against. Because obviously the trend on Microsoft and Apple and all those things long term is up. And don't see that changing anytime soon.
FRSX, I should have kept the 192 to start. Simon.
Microsoft.
Was Simon posted in lounge.
Oh, man.
Oh man.
Oh god, I need to.
Riskier trade. I'm not taking it, but for you guys that like it, you guys can take it.
Oh yeah, that was beautiful. That was,
Funny, Simon. Doc. We call him Doc in the Goose Room. By the way, Microsoft, just a quick note to add on to what Ricky's saying. It's below all the averages besides the 200-day here. I think if it breaks 210, it could kind of fade back into that whole number. 200 is a better spot for me personally, looking at a long on that name. But the market will have an influence on that name. But it's got a lot of overhang.
You heard me say I like 200, right?
What's that? You said you like 200 too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was just showing.
listen to his own.
He's just
voice.
agreeing with me, guys.
All I was pointing out, and of course, King Joffy Joff, you're always right.
Yeah, fix that.
But I want you guys to notice that overhang, from where it's been consolidating. That will be there. So we'll
Yep.
need some volume to push through there. All right, I'll shut up now. Thank you. Adriano out.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
I still love you, man.
I'm going to go do some more pull-ups. Gosh.
I had a great stock that was going
And by pull-ups, he means he's gonna go eat a bunch of chocolates while he hides from his wife.
with sweet condensed milk in the coffee, like a whole can of sweet condensed milk on a shot of espresso.
SEDG. This one's a thin one. It's getting up there too, though. I hear baby Ricky waking up.
Uh-oh. CHGG.
I don't even use my hands when I do my pull-ups.
Just my hair.
Have a good one, Scratch.
Hey,
Yeah,
Scratch,
see
have a
Scratch.
great weekend. Oh, wait a minute. Scratch is not going to watch the CPA webinar? Scratch, where are you going? That not good?
Yeah, tax planning for traders starting at 12 in the program. You see the link there.
I see Scratch. Just make sure you watch later.
Hey Benito, maybe you could flash the link for that, or the summary of what we're doing today, so that the people on YouTube can see it.
Sure. Okay.
And obviously, it's going to be recorded, guys. So it's something that will be in the library for you to always be able to go back and rewatch.
Yeah, tax planning for traders, discussing the various tax planning tools and tax implications for traders. We're talking 4 main topics: active versus passive income, capital gains and losses, retirement accounts, LLCs, and living trusts.
You want to know this. Even by any chance, if you're not profitable yet, you want to be learning this, because this is something we have to start now. Even if you start a retirement account, it doesn't matter what size it is. You need to start at some point, and it needs, the earlier the better. Doesn't matter if you're 20 or if you're 60. Trust me, we're doing this because we had a lot of people coming and talking and asking this question to us. How do I open a retirement account? How do I know which one should I open? How do I open one? Right, so that's why we brought Daniel to come and do this. So, and a lot of things, again, about tax laws. You might think but these things change so much that maybe there's a new update out there that could benefit you. And so.
Hey, I'm thinking I might have a trade here. I'm watching Workhorse right here in the 23, guys.
Okay, cheers.
Hallelujah, hallelujah. Sorry.
I'm starting right here. I'm trying to get it in 2267. All right, I took 2267 starter, guys, and I want this to shove hard into 23s. If it doesn't, I got something on and be getting out on the pullback. But I do like this spot on the daily, on the intraday, everything. Yes, short, Nick.
Isn't it funny that data, I took that the 4210s yesterday because it wasn't hitting my 4270. I'm still in though, but now I'm 44s.
Keep in mind, so far that this price action is more of a grind, but I'm okay with this. I think we're gonna get a speed up here.
Some power. Huh. BBY, Caitlin, let me look. No, actually, thank you for the question, Caitlin. I changed my good to cancel on BBY to 95.20. BBY, I changed to 95.20. A good to cancel. Just a quick update on that. Oh no, I don't have an update, so never mind.
Tequila.
Oh, that's right. So make sure you guys do your stops and stuff like that. If you have to go long, make sure you click the buy button and stuff like that. Things like that. In 10 minutes, we're gonna go off voice. But you guys know what to do. Be careful. You're Friday. Don't mess it up. Stuff like that.
Tequila, tequila, tequila.
SPCB. SPCB has some news.
TCB.
SPCB, the headline with
Yeah.
on
Com
TradeGoose.
cybersecurity.
This is $1 million contract. It's not that big, stuff like that.
Tequila.
SPCB. 14 million float SPCB. Hey guys, don't forget, Goose here. My birthday is Monday, okay? Don't forget to
I'm out
wish
half
me
for 20
best
cents there,
wishes.
guys. I took out half, 22.47. That was right into the 1 minute 20.
The birthday goose,
Stop
man,
from these
I
over
love
the
you.
highs.
I love everybody. I love Ricky.
Hey, everybody, Goose here. Don't forget
I
my
love
birthday.
Dan.
My birthday Monday, stuff like that.
I love the world.
Give me many best wishes.
So much for
Goose.
trade talk, huh, Ricky?
Kiss, kiss.
I'm
I love you all,
looking
but my
for
heart,
any
I'm
pop
crying.
to be a lower high on Workhorse now, and that's on a. Right now, I'm using the 1 minute chart for. Obviously, the first target was the 1 minute 20. I did not have an order, and I would have got the 1 minute 20 exactly. But so any pop, I want to see a pop in a 22.64, 22.63, anywhere in there, and then I want it to roll back over and come back under these lows. That's what I would look for. If we don't get that and we break highs, I stop out and I look for my next level. It's really, really simple.
Kurt.
Right? I think so. People on YouTube are going to be scratching their heads.
I think we have, I think there's some SPACs today, probably already open.
So now we're rolling under the 1 minute 20. I'm actually looking for the 5 minute 20 as my next target, which is really, really far down there. Honestly, think I'd be out way before then. The
ABC.
purple line on my chart, guys, is the 50 day. And actually, there's some levels here. Look, you see this level right here from previous day's highs. That's exactly where I'd probably be taking the majority of my position off. So, washing the 22, I'll be out.
No, that one doesn't have any volume. CRT.
Actually, I have my orders out there too, down right about 22. And
Good
I
question
think
from-
after, if this trade plays out here, and I feel, I think we probably ran the course of the morning. The actions died down in the market, guys. Hopefully, if you guys were watching this on YouTube, it gave you a little bit of insight into what we do in here. It's not all the joking like it has been today.
Yeah, it's
and actually,
rare
most days it's just one or two of us on the mic. We're doing this on Fridays, so that people can get a bit of a taste of the camaraderie, I guess.
I like to joke all the time. So my name is Adriano, I'm the man.
My girl likes to party all the time.
You have the voice of an angel.
And here's little Ricky just in time. What's up, buddy? Come here.
A question in the lounge from Philip. When you guys talk about the short float, is that a good thing or a bad thing if the short float is high when you're trying to go short? Sorry for the noob question.
EDIT pushed right into
Audrey, can you answer that, please?
EDIT is just kind of every time it pushes back into the 5 minute 20, you see it getting stuffed. Honestly, would like it to try to squeeze a little and shake some shorts out, and then stuff again. But we'll see. Nice, Steve. Go get yourself some Kona coffee then.
Adri, can you answer Dan's question, please?
What was the question about the float, the short float?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know who was
Stuff
saying
like
it,
that.
but I don't know whether you're talking about the
The float,
Oh.
stuff like that.
as what's that?
The float and stuff like that.
Stuff like that.
Nice, Caitlin.
I don't know whether you're talking about is it Philip? If you're talking about the percentage of the float that's short, I'm assuming. And leading into a squeeze, is that what you're talking about? Yeah, all that's doing is it's obviously, you know, with the I don't know how to explain this to you. When the float's short though, you're gonna allow for a bigger squeeze against you. People have to cover, or that's more that can go against you. So it's not just natural buying that could come into a stock to push it. It's gonna be people covering on margin calls or stop orders. So it's kind of, I don't know how to actually explain that better than that, but people that are swinging the short side of the stock. I don't know if you guys wanted either Ricky or Goose.
Well, I think it got brought up because of Workhorse. Someone was pointing out the short float on Workhorse, and so one thing I'm gonna tell you guys is that these small cap POSs doesn't bother me so much when they have a high short float, because I mean, it's not that I don't take it into account, but it's, you know, it has a high short float for a good reason. This company is complete trash, whereas, you know, something like Stitch Fix, when I know it has a high short float and they put out numbers that the market likes on earnings, makes me stay much more cautious, right? So I weigh it more heavily on a stock that is not a small cap piece of junk.
Hey guys, really quick here, really quick. Look, XYZ, is moving up here, 10%, XYZ. You know what? I'm gonna pass. I don't like. It's not A++. It's not A++. No, I pass. All right. I mean. All right. I mean.
What's
Just
your
gonna
answer,
try to
Dan?
take 10 points, but don't take this trade. It's not A++. I love it.
I don't think he growls though. That's
Dude,
your
this is
thing.
why we don't let Adriano have coffee.
Yeah. Started drinking coffee yesterday.
So here's the push. This is I would have rather been on the next 5-minute candle on Workhorse that this push happened, but it is what it is. Like I said, if it's a lower high and it rolls over, then I'm really confident I'll get my targets. If we stop me out, it's not a big deal. It's still a clean trade.
So just on voice, my next DADA sell, I'm gonna break in two cells, 43.70 and 44.40, okay? And if it goes back to my entry, which is 40, I'm closing, and I'm gonna take on next level downs, which is 37.33. Stuff like that. That's right, Kurt. Yeah, there's no reason to screw up a Friday, right? There's no reason. I mean, you're doing good. It was a great morning. We had a great week. Had a couple trades, and we're doing great. There's no way to screw up. Ooh, look, XYZ. You just moved 5 points. Ooh, no. Let's not do it. In. Oh man, why did I do this? I just messed up my Friday when I told everybody not to do it. Oh, wait a minute. Am I on speaker or am I on mute? Oh, never mind.
Poor Dan can't defend himself. He's not in here. We love you, Dan. We are coming up on the 10:30 hour here. Just quick announcement. In the pro room, I'm posting the link to the morning report challenge. For members who are interested in participating in that, this is a reminder, you have until Sunday to sign up. There's a form in the link I'm about to post. And the way that report challenge works is you'll be given a template, and by 9:15 every morning for the next 5 trading days, Monday through Friday. Post your morning report in there to participate. And then the winners, we're giving out 3 prizes. One is a $500 prize, second place is $300, and third place is $200. And then, of course, you get that permanent winners championship badge.
Bragging rights.
Yeah, your bragging rights, basically.
So, Benito, really quick, how are they gonna get a template? How's that gonna work?
Yep, there's a template. So it's like a, it's a Google Doc, and then you can just make a copy for yourself, just fill it out, and just literally take a screenshot and paste it in the members trading floors where we want you guys to put that.
And what happened if someone, was the deadline, the latest that if that they have to send the results every morning?
9:15.
What happens if they don't send by 9:15, send at 9:16?
You will be disqualified.
That's vicious, but that's fair for everybody else. So remember, you need to send that before 9:15.
Mama said days like this.
And stuff like that.
There you go, guys. It's in the room.
It would be from Monday through Friday, Foxer. Benji.
Yeah, it's just 5 days.
We have something really cool coming up too. I'm not gonna say it.
Say it.
No. I'm very curious about this.
Is the webcam speedo thing or?
No, actually, no. I want to talk about one thing because we started this yesterday, so I just want to give a follow-up. What I'm doing about the IPO, okay, the pre-IPO stuff. I actually contacted another company, and I'm trying to buy some shares of Impossible Foods pre-IPO, and if I get it, I'm gonna make sure that I document everything and tell you each step of the process and all the way up to the IPO date, how it works out. And of course, these are pre-IPO registered shares, so it cannot be sold until the lockup period, which can be from 3 to 6 months. But it would be pretty cool to go through this experience together. And I'm trying to buy 250,000 shares of Impossible Foods. Let's see if I get any, and if I do, I'll let you know what price I was able to get. And then if it works out, I am your guinea pig, right? If it works out, then there's nothing to do with us. We don't make anything out of it. But it's just something that if you want to pursue later, is your call. No, I'm trying to buy $250,000 of, not 250,000 shares.
A lot of shares.
No, 250,000.
Mr. Buffett.
But if it works out, I keep you all updated. I'm just saying because I mentioned yesterday I was going to call, but I did call that company, but I did not. I chose to go with someone else. Okay, but I keep you all updated. As this develops. Okay, as of right now, I have my bid there, and I'm waiting to see if I can find a seller for a certain price. Impossible Foods, Musa.
Just call him a loser. What?
No, Musa.
Oh,
moron.
Geez, you're so rude.
It's Impossible Foods. It's like Beyond Meats. Yeah, I don't know yet with the casino. I'm still waiting to see what price they're gonna quote me. I don't know yet, but I'll let you know for sure. And thank you for that contact. I just chose to go with someone else because turns out I have a really good friend that knows someone that does this. So
You're welcome.
And stuff like that.
No problem.
Benito, you see Chris is having a problem getting accessing the form.
Yeah, that's fixed. Just refresh, guys.
VT breaking down there. Oh, big old man. Don't like to see this guy's on workhorse. You notice how when we finally broke that low, it just snapped straight back up. Just gonna take it off here now for. See if I can get filled.
So just, you know, so you kind of understand a little bit of the process, and I'm gonna try to be, you know, as brief as possible because we over time.
All right, guys, I got out the last half of workhorse at 22.52. I mean, that spike may have just been the last ditch effort, you know, but I'm not gonna stick around and give back anything on it. So it is what it is. VTVT kind of broke down right there.
Am I on mute?
Brief as possible. God. Hope you guys are sitting down for an hour.
Listen, you moron.
All right,
So
well,
anybody
travel
else
to
has anything
Panama.
else to say? All right.
I'm gonna end the stream for the YouTube. And
Fought off 4
you know, just
sharks.
want to let everybody that watched know that we appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to check us out. And if you have any questions, you know, feel free to reach out to Benito, TrueTrader admin. How can they reach you, Benito?
You guys can you can
Call him.
email us. Yeah, you can call me.
555.
You talking about the YouTube guys? You can
Yeah, just so
you can
people know how to
comment.
get in touch.
Yeah, you can comment on YouTube directly. You can also just email us, support@truetrader.net, or you can. I mean, honestly, those are the best ways. Absolute
Awesome.
best ways. I get all those.
If
All right,
you're
well-
YouTube, I trust you. I promise you, it's not like this every day. We don't clown around every day, but we don't, you know, have a problem doing this on Fridays just to relax.
We do like to have fun on Fridays.
Stuff like that.
But if you look at the trades, hopefully you guys saw that action. It was pretty good actually. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
All right, take it easy, guys. Stay safe. Hope to see you in the room.
Yeah, bye.